What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and I mean, this chart is looking very nice, isn't it, from what we can tell. It seems pretty likely, in my opinion, that we're probably going to be seeing, a bit more upside for this before it does start to backtest some levels of, some big levels of support. As we can see, for pretty much all altcoins, we've had this descending wedge, haven't we, for some time here. Basically just been stuck inside of this wedge, for a long time, haven't we? We came down, obviously we broke to the bottom, but we came straight back up. And then since then, we've been stuck under this resistance for ages and ages. Obviously, we've got this big, massive, overextended fake out to the downside for Polygon, which is obviously, this is absolutely insane. This is the most oversold we've ever been on this chart on our daily time frame, just to put things in perspective, which is obviously ridiculous. It's even more oversold than the March 2020 crash, which says a lot, right? So obviously the market is like an elastic band, and sooner or later, if you do basically start to get really overextended in one direction, you do see the equilibrium coming back into the market. So just like we were really overbought here, we did get very oversold here, and obviously we are starting to see that equilibrium come back into the market, aren't we? Polygon's currently trading at around $1.03, which is obviously nice to see when it was at 62 cents the other day. So quite clear that we came, we pretty much came down, didn't we? Perfectly touched our 618 Fibonacci retracement here. Came down perfectly. So anyone who caught this was a very nice trade. Personally, you could have bought this and sold at resistance here, and you would have made a very nice profit. But you can see quite clearly, Polygon's showing a lot of signs of life, isn't it? Breaking out of resistance, back testing it, breaking out the 20 and back testing it, and now we're trying to break the 55 here, aren't we? And obviously, if we take a look at what Bitcoin's doing, you can see obviously Polygon is following Bitcoin very closely, just like every single other crypto right now, because of all the fear in the market. And you can see, Bitcoin looks as though it wants to break out, doesn't it? It's in this area here where it looks as though the breakout might be coming pretty soon. And if that's the case, we could potentially be looking at some very nice upside for Bitcoin if it does break out this range. As we said, there is a resistance here at around 41,300. If we do break through that, we could be looking at a very nice bit of upside for Polygon. Obviously, the range high, you could say, is probably up here at around 43k. We would expect this to be quite a strong resistance, obviously, because it's been, it's been basically a resistance and the top of this range for essentially a few months now. But if we do see ourselves start to break out of this, which could be possible, we could potentially be looking at, the next real area of resistance and confluence for resistance and support is this 50k level. So if we do start to pump ourselves up and get to the top of this range, maybe we start to fall back and back test. 50k is the next target realistically. And I mean, if you look at these EMAs right now for Bitcoin, I mean, wow. Basically, if we get that bullish flip of the EMAs on the daily time frame, that is super bullish. And as we said, obviously, Matic, Polygon is obviously going to have a massive pump as well if that happens, because Bitcoin's going to be pumping up, another 10, 15, 20%. And if we see that, we could see Polygon, easily coming up to around this 125 area, this previous level of support flipped into resistance here. And, come up, challenge it, back test, flip it into support, start doing something like this where we're basically reversing out of this big downwards trajectory that we have been on. Because, the volume's been dipping off. The volume has been tailing off here. And, once we got oversold, the volume going down, and the price going down. This is actually a bullish reversal indicator, so a lot of confidence here that we were going to see a bounce. And obviously, we got our reward, didn't we? We bounced all the way up to $1.03 right now. And if we do break this 55 and start backtesting it, dragging the 20 over our shoulder and getting flipped bullish on our AMAs, I mean, wow, this continuation is going to be absolutely insane, isn't it? So a quick look at the weekly time frame here will show us that we're nowhere near a bear market whatsoever. We're nowhere near the 55 on the weekly time frame, which is what we need to see ourselves falling under like this. And obviously dragging the 20 over our shoulder and starting flipping bearish on the weekly time frame for us to be in a bear market. Not seeing this whatsoever. We haven't even got down and touched the 55 on the weekly time frame, so we're showing a lot of strength here, aren't we, getting back above the 20. And as you can see, I mean, we're back testing it perfectly for continuation, aren't we? So a quick look at the hourly time frame just to see what's happening. It does look as though we are coiling very, very nicely here for a move to the upside. Obviously, you can see it does look as though we are forming something like this, where essentially the price action is coiling to a central point, and it does look as though we are potentially reaching the apex here where we could break upwards or downwards. But I think considering that we've got bullish momentum right now, we could probably be looking at further upside here. And we are, we're not too overextended on our RSI either. So do anticipate that if Polygon does start breaking up above this 114 level, we could be looking at, 120 or 125 as our next level of real resistance. So just do keep that in mind. And obviously, as we keep saying, we do think Polygon is an amazing project. It's probably going to do very, very well in the future. And we do think that $10 mark is very possible. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.